how to fix your privacy on Likee account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your privacy settings on your Likee app account easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting at the bottom. And here you have the second option, which is privacy. Now scroll over. After that, you have the first option, which is who can view my like list. You can make it private or just your friends. Your super follow list, make it private or just your friends. And here, hide location and profile and recommend your account to friends, and you have to enable others to do it or save or comment on your posts. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. And here you have allow screenshot or screen recording of your live content. This one is so important. So can no one take a screenshot or a screen video to your live content if you don't want to. And you have the last option, which is set your line status public. So this is it, guys. This is how you can fix your settings, your privacy settings, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.